Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a super hack of how to detangle your hair, finger detangle your hair in under 30 minutes. Like literally I have no time anymore, and honestly with having a family now and building a career, who has the time? So I have found different ways to make my wash day as simple and as easy as possible. So all I'm going to be showing you in this video is, firstly I'm going to take one of my really good conditioners that I really like. This one is by on Jack Keys, and I think it's a new line but for girls. So I'm just going to add some bit of extra virgin olive oil because my hair loves olive oil, and then I'm also going to add pure honey. So I'm just going to mix that quite roughly with my fingers, doesn't really matter, and proceed to apply it in my hair. I make sure I saturate my whole hair, my whole section of hair with this. And usually I never actually finger detangle in large sections, but with this method it is so easy. So all I'm doing is saturating all over my strands, and I'm going to proceed to make sure that my ends are also coated, and I'm going to break apart the section if it's too much to make sure I get in between as well, just to make sure that everything is coated, because the more coated it is, the easier and faster you can finger detangle. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to proceed to finger detangle, show you how I finger detangle slowly, and then I'm going to proceed with being super fast. So you see those curls popping, like they are pop in. Anyway, so that's my hair already fully detangled, and that's like 1/4 of my hair already done. And I've done the other sections, I just have the front bit of that section left, and I'm just showing you how smooth and how easy it was for me to do that. And you can see my hair is really thick. My hair is more 4B 4C and more towards the 4C side, to be honest. That's pretty much it. So I'm just taking off the shed hair that came off, and I'm going to proceed to show you all the other section before I show you all what everything looks like. So this is another up close look. Can you see that? So I've twisted the other side, and I just wanted to show you all how it really looked. So I'm taking pictures for you all, and yeah, look at those curls. Like, I've saved so much time using this method. And if you've seen my previous video on this Rasul clip, you can see that I'm trying to save time on my hair, but still give it the same level of nutrition that I always did. And yeah, so far it's been great, and this has saved me so much time. So I'm just applying every extra all over my strands, on my edges and the ends of my hair, all over on my nape. Don't forget your nape, ladies. Everywhere is completely saturated. I'm just going to pack it and leave it in for a bit, for about 30 minutes or more, before I rinse it out and style. So as for my timer, I actually realized I had 5 more minutes on the clock. I thought I had run out of time, but I actually had 5 more minutes, and this is a total amount of shed hair that came off my head. Seriously, like, awesome. So that's that. And I also made sure to finish my deep conditioner mix because I don't really like to leave it over. It doesn't last that long outside. Just make sure that you mix as much as you can finish. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share, and also tell people about my channel. It's good. Spread the word. Be nice and share. Take care, loves. See you all in my next video. Bye.